Hi, I am Jaswin. In this video, we are going to see some basic concepts about how to create a quality content. Let's get into the video. Not only in YouTube, in any social media platform, creating quality content is crucial. That's the only way we can reach potential customers and audience. So in this presentation, we are going to see some basic concepts about creating a quality content. So I am planning to make three separate videos. As we go through this, at the end of the series, you will know about camera position, lighting techniques, and good audio. Today, we are going to see the important concept of positioning your camera. So, camera position. Camera position plays an important role in making quality content. So, you have to be careful about these four things when you are ready to take video: eye level, headroom, orientation, and rule of thirds. So eye level is nothing but how and where you place your camera. The best position to place your camera is in level to your eye or slightly above or below your eye. Of course, the camera position depends on the kind of content you are making. Yet, most of the time, keeping the eye level is good. When you keep the camera too high, you will look awkward. Keep the camera too low. Why people have to see things inside your nose, right? The next thing you have to be careful when you take the video is headroom. Headroom is the space between your head and the top of the screen. In order to look good, the space between your head and the top of the screen should be optimal. Too much space above your head will make the video undesirable. And if your head is above the screen, how bad it will look, right? The next important thing is orientation. Orientation is about the video's aspect ratio. Some of the examples of video ratios are 16:9, 9:16, 1:1, 4:5. In what orientation you take video, it depends on for what social media you are creating content or what form of content you are creating. For normal YouTube video, 16:9 ratio or 1920 into 1080 pixel is default. But for YouTube Shorts, 9:16 should be utilized. For Instagram, 1:1 or 4:5 will be good. Always do a little research on what orientation a particular social media natively support. So this will give you a good understanding of how orientation you have to use. Rule of thirds. As the headroom is about space above your head, rule of thirds is about the space in sides. Sitting or standing in the center of the frame is optimal. No problem in that, but studies shows positioning yourself slightly left or right in the frame will make your video more desirable. When people like it, we do it, right? But be aware that when you stand close to left, position your body slightly right and vice versa. Don't sit close to an edge of the screen and stare at it. That will be bad. Finally, a fun bonus tip for you. If you are someone who take video in your mobile, then make sure the camera is clean. Usually oil in our hands and other dust cover the camera and make it dull. So wipe it clean camera with a soft cloth before take video. Buying a good mobile cover with the camera protection will keep your camera safe at the accidental falling. So that's all for you today, guys. Feel free to ask any doubts in the comments. I'll be happy to answer it. So next time we are going to see the lighting techniques. So subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notification. We will meet you in next video. Thank you for watching. God bless.